Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Emma. Beside me is my husband Ash and our children Minky, Dave, Cookie and Tiny Teabag. This is my identical twin sister Suze. We speak a lot about her and we vlog our daily lives here. Thank you for joining us. Well, it's 6:30. Ash is already in bed. He said he's had 5 hours sleep across the whole of the weekend, but he had a lovely time. The food wasn't great, so I fed him. And I've just had a bath and shower, washed my hair. I'm going to watch a bit of telly and settle in for the night.
I'm giving you a big cushion and that's where you're laying. There? Why don't you lay on here? Be comfy.
Good morning, happy Monday. Ash is up. I was up before him, sorted the rabbits out. He's now gone downstairs to open the blinds and sort the water out for work. And do you know what? It is, 1 second. It's 7:15 and we're still lounging a little bit. We thought we'll have a bit of a late start today. So, I mean, it's tipping down with rain. Doggies are asleep with me on the bed. And yeah, I just said let's just not rush out at 7:30. We've normally walked the dogs by now. So we're just gonna have a bit of a lazy one and head out a bit later. So yeah, happy Monday. I hope you had a brilliant weekend. It sounded like you all did. And I will take you along, follow my Monday with me. And I'm going to have a makeup free day today. Just a bit of mascara because it's raining. I think I'm going to get the rain and wind in my face. So I'm going to have a makeup free day, a bit of serum and a bit of moisturiser and a bit of mascara. That's it.
Cookie says, morning everybody. And
it is 10 to 8 on the 18th of September. Rainy days. So much for rain. It is absolutely blasting my sunshine. Not complaining. I'm just going to stop off at Morrisons to borrow the ladies' room. Wow, it's beautiful. I've got loads of sale stuff in Morrisons. That's only £14, down from 20. That's a pretty colour as well. And that green, oh, that's a bit of Joe, that is. Oh, it's so soft. Joe, you need this dress. £22. Jumpers are 16, they're ever so soft. Love them. Oh, that's smart as well. And that pair of jeans, little white cami underneath for autumn. These jumpers, what are they made of? denim shirts in. That green one's different. More really soft jumpers, £14. God, I like that as well. How much is that? 15. Straight for the orange and the orange. And then just a load of t-shirts that are sort of transitioning from summer to autumn. We've got some lovely soft cardigans in. Teddy coats still in, apparently.
Lovely.
Oh, look at that. Hello. Christmas, we'll leave that for another time. Let's go back to Halloween. Actually does spin round. Need some toilet roll, that's what we need. As if you wanted to know that, that's my excitement for today. Oh my gosh, right, we've been waiting for these to come back in stock because the quality had really lost the quality on them, and they've come back in £5.95, and the chicken's better. Ours don't eat the hide, they just, with them being so little, they like to chew the chicken off, and then we throw the hide chew away. So I'm going to stock up on them while they have them. Well, it went from bright sunshine to a huge deluge downpour. And I'm blooming soaked. I didn't bring a towel. I've got another coat, but I didn't bring a towel to sit on, and my pants, my trousers are soaking wet. No. Holy blimmin' moly. Wow. I'm drenched. Right, what have we got next? You're done, you're done. You're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to do. 5 more. Just spoke to Suze as well, and she was going to save a YouTube video. Rich, Ju and Jimbob Too. It's about a family who have sold, well, given up their house, and they've moved into a motorhome, and they're such a joy to watch. I'll tag them in the description, video description. But if you want like a new channel to watch, they're quite fun. So me and Suze have been watching them together. They do make me giggle. They're quite a new channel. They've only got maybe 10 videos out, so you can go right back to the beginning and start again. So I think she's going to watch that today, and then I'll watch something new with her tomorrow. My Mum, Your Dad, that dating programme. We've got that to catch up on. And I think Bake Off starts in a week or so. That's exciting. I'm going to get my car turned on and the heater on and try and dry out a little bit. It just didn't look like it was going to downpour like this just then. If it did, I'd have put I put like a little thin raincoat over the top of my coat, and I can take that off when I get back in the car. And I just didn't think. And my trousers are soaked. They would have got drenched anyway. I've got a river running down my windscreen. I've just got in, everybody. It's now later on in the afternoon, and I'm just going to make something to eat. But you're all going to think that I'm weird. I'm going to have 2 raw mushrooms, and I just put myself in the face. My God, what am I doing? Not safe to be. Not safe to be allowed out or in. So 2 raw mushrooms. I've got half a Lincolnshire sausage roll. I'm just heating up in the oven, and I'm going to have some beetroot. I can't eat 3, but I've put 3 on the plate. You know when your eyes are way bigger than your belly? That's me. That is me. Oh! Mushrooms, beetroot, and half a sausage roll. Did I even have long enough in there? Yeah, I think it did. Oh no! Oh, what's happened? What's happened, David? Have you dropped your stick? Do I have to get it for you? Minky's not going to get it for you. Ooh, yeah! You win! Yeah! Yeah! Right guys, it's time to settle in. I need to pack my bag to go to Susie tomorrow. I've got some bits down here ready to get packed and sort my face and hair out. And that's about it for today, really. The office has got a little bit cluttered. Just brought up all of our, not that one, that's the thank you card, our wedding cards and everything, and our little beautiful bride and groom that Ash's dear gran, she's passed away now, the ones that gave us the caravan, she knitted these for us. They're so precious. I want to get them put somewhere nice. I need to get all this put away in a memory box, and I need to get crafting again. I've got my little kits ready to go. It's taken a bit of a back burner, hasn't it? I will start again because I enjoy it so much. You know, there'll be times when I just need to get lost in my little office and craft away. I've also got a few pictures that I need to frame and things like that. I wonder if I've actually ever shown you this one, because Mum was moving out of her lodge. This was always on the floor, leant up against the telly. This is Mum and Terry. How beautiful is that? Mum and Terry. He was a cute kid. So when Mum gets settled into her permanent accommodation, I'll give that back to her. She can have it up on the wall. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.